Hi, my name is Akio Yamachili, and I'm a high school student from Northern Virginia. I recently completed the Introduction to Bioinformatics course through Omics Logic, and I'm excited to share my experience. This course was not only educational, but also a great introduction to the world of bioinformatics. I'm thrilled to tell you about what I learned and how it shaped my perspective on both science and technology. So let's start with a little bit about me. I'm currently a junior in high school, and I've always had a deep interest in science, especially biology and technology. My fascination with how technology can solve complex problems started a few years ago when I began exploring artificial intelligence applications in healthcare. As I started working on projects that involved I realized how important bioinformatics is in fields like healthcare, agriculture, and environmental science. I want to dive deeper into this field, and the Introduction to Bioinformatics course from Omics Logic seemed like the perfect starting point. I first came across bioinformatics during my research into data analysis tools used in biomedical applications. I was immediately captivated by how bioinformatics combines biology with computer science to extract meaningful insights from complex data. That led me to Omics Logic, where I discovered their Introduction to Bioinformatics course. I was impressed by how the course was structured. It was clear and easy to follow, which made learning this complex subject approachable for someone like me who was just starting out in bioinformatics. So let me tell you a little bit about my actual experience in the course. The course provided a comprehensive overview of bioinformatics, starting from the basics of molecular biology and genomics to more advanced topics like DNA sequencing and gene expression analysis. One of the things I really appreciated was how the lessons were structured. They built on each other, so it felt like a natural progression of knowledge. The course didn't just focus on theory, it also included hands-on assignments to gain practical experience. I worked with real bioinformatics tools, explored biological data, and even analyzed some genomic sequences myself. This hands-on approach was fantastic. It was gaining confidence in applying what I learned and made the material feel relevant to real-world research and problem solving. So let's talk a little bit about the actual Omics Logic platform. Another big highlight of my experience was how easy it was to engage with the Omics Logic platform. The website was user-friendly and kind of very intuitive to navigate. The layout was simple with clear instructions and well-organized course material. The lessons were interactive, which can be engaged and made learning feel like an active process, rather than just watching a video. The course also included quizzes and exercises to help to reinforce key concepts, which really helped me solidify my understanding. Additionally, I found the support team was very responsive whenever I had questions, and the community forums provided a great place to engage with other students, share ideas, and talk with the leadership. I could really feel that Omics Logic is committed to helping students succeed and made the learning experience even better. So what did I actually learn in the course? Well, one of the biggest takeaways from this course was learning the real-world applications of bioinformatics. I gained a better understanding of how bioinformatics is used in various industries, from drug discovery to personalized medicine and even agriculture. The course highlighted how data-driven approaches are transforming medicine, the ability to analyze genomic data to understand diseases, develop treatments, and improve patient care. This was especially eye-opening for me because I've always been involved in healthcare-related projects, and seeing how bioinformatics contributes to solving global health challenges was incredibly inspiring. So here are three of the key takeaways from the course. If I had to highlight the most valuable lesson in the course, it would be the importance of data analysis in bioinformatics. I learned how complex biological data is turned to actionable insights. And this process involves a combination of computational tools and algorithms. One of the topics that stood out to me most was DNA sequencing. Learning how sequencing works and how bioinformatics is used to interpret the data was fascinating. I now have a deeper understanding of how powerful bioinformatics can be in advancing research and improving human health. Now, looking to the future, after completing this course, I'm definitely excited to explore more advanced topics of bioinformatics. I'm particularly interested in genomics, drug development, and how bioinformatics can be used to improve global healthcare systems, especially in under-resourced areas. This course also sparked my curiosity about computational biology and bioinformatics programming, so I'm looking forward to delving deeper into those areas as well. I feel like this course opened the door to a whole new world of possibilities, and I'm eager to continue my journey in bioinformatics. Overall, I'm really glad I took the Introduction to Bioinformatics course with Omics Logic. The course provided a solid foundation, was easy to follow, and included hands-on experiences that made learning fun and engaging. If you're someone who's curious about bioinformatics or data-driven sciences, I would highly recommend this course. It's a great way to get started. And who knows, it might just inspire your next big idea. Thank you, Omics Logic, for such a wonderful experience.